Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7a and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find display and brightness. Here we have to tap on the sleep option, and as you can see here we've got some some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. What is more, we can always set never, which simply means that your device will never automatically black out. You will have to do it manually just by using the power button. So currently we've got the 30 seconds option applied. And in order to change it, we have to simply tap on the option we'd like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Honor X7a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.